Hi everybody, right now I'm reviewing this book 清钱泳书欧阳脩画锦堂记硬笔临写 This is basically a book, a whole series of book to practice your kaishu with a normal pen. As you can see, you can choose these kinds of pens, but in my case, I'm going to use this one. It's the Pilot Juice. Okay, it's a Pilot Juice 0.5. Okay, so this is my handwriting, as you can see over here. And as you can see over here, it's kind of an official thing, like this professor and this professor. He wrote this book, and then this professor, he published this book, and then this book was used for a kind of a it's like a guidebook for judges for a calligraphy competition. Yes, and as you can see over here, yeah, it's quite beautiful. I really like this book, so let's get to the point and start practicing. So there are some things like some introduction things in Chinese, but I think you can just skip it because the most important part is right here. So this is the first page. I nearly finished it. Let me write a little bit for you guys. It's quite hard to use my cell phone and the pen at the same time, but let me try my best, okay? Okay, this one should be longer, and then this one should be shorter, and then this one shorter, and then put it in, and then be sure that it's right under that thing, and then the first one is short, and then wider to smaller, wider to smaller, and yes, and this one should be long, and then this one also should be long, and then glue it away, so it's like a little bit sharp, like in the original text, it's like a little bit sharp, like you it's like you throw it away, throw it to the bottom. And this one, okay, as you can see, this is not a standard character, because this is actually originally written by somebody from the past, from the Qing dynasty, as written in the book. So the characters are not going to be simplified Chinese or traditional Chinese like the standard traditional Chinese. It's going to be a combination of both, or maybe it's just like some special writing styles that are common in that era. So let me try to write this. So usually it should be this. The first one should be this one, the one in the left, and then right here, and then right here, and then right here. And I can go down first, longer, and then pull it right over here, twist it, back up, and then make a tick. It should be longer, that tick should be longer, and this one should be just a small and tiny little square, and then 1 and 2, and then close it. Okay, yes, that's how you write it. Sorry for the bad angle, but I hope that this is helpful to you guys. So let's see the next page. As you can see, in the first one, it's the example of how it's supposed to be written, and then in the second lane, it should be how you write it. So you can just follow it, like simply follow it, like 1, and then 2. Yeah, just follow it. 3. Yes, okay, something like that, and you can just copy it right under it. Stop and start, skip, 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 and then this one, you start, skip, start, skip while bending for a little bit. And this one, start, stop, start, stop, start, skip, stop. There's no start, it's just a simple stopping movement, and then start, stop, and then start, twist, stop, and then twist up, and then start, stop, start, stop, start, stop. Yes. So basically this is how I practice calligraphy with this book. So I hope that you find this book useful. This is Kaishu Chauvinist. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and be sure to ask any questions that you like in the comment section below. Thank you.